Now we begin with the question and answer session.
In Malayalam or English? No, for everyone, I don't know. But okay, I'll speak in English because maybe there are non-Malayalis. Of course, like Payal said, it was a collaborative work, even for actors, for me. I didn't do anything on my own. Robin, Naseem, Payal, all of us worked together. My co-actors, Chaiji and the guys here, Hratu, Asika, everyone, all of us worked together to get the scene. So of course, Payal brought us to some kind of workshops and all was there, but we were also interacting with actual nurses for a few days. A little bit of that. She also said it is a fiction. It's not to exactly replicate exactly what happens. She also said it will be dreamy. Like there were, like for example, the CPR. I'm just gonna say it. So the speed of the CPR is not exactly what you see in the film because she wanted it to be a little dreamy. Like so, the speed is different, and so it's not the actual replica. So she did take that freedom of expression. So some rehearsals with the actual nurses, they have shared us some insight. I am generally very attracted to hospitals, so I was going to hospital those days anyway, so I was also observing some nurses. And then we rehearsed quite a lot. I think only one scene of mine is the only thing I think I didn't get the chance to rehearse. Otherwise, everything we thoroughly rehearsed. We kind of fixed prior to shoot which of the rehearsals were better, which part of which rehearsal, which scene. So it all was getting stitched together finally in the shoot.
Was it sing song?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, but the drowned man, the actor, he's a Tamil actor. He was speaking not in a proper Malayalam while we were shooting the scene. That portion was dubbed. But we got really lucky with the voice artist and the actual actor to get it so right. So yeah, that's Anand Sami is his name.
Yeah, you didn't actually understand it, so it worked well.
Yeah.
I just want to ask Divya.
It's the same for me also. It's the first time I'm getting this much time to prepare for a role, and it's very collaborative, and we rehearsed almost every scene with so many options, and so this collaboration is helped us a lot, especially Robin and Naseem for Malayalam dialogues. I had to say the dialogues in Palakkad slang, so these people helped me a lot for the dialogues. Yeah.
Please thank you, Susha Didi as well. Thank you so much.
It's like the characters will have these, for example, the character of Prabha will have these sort of aspects to her personality, and you already know the ending, and then you drive us towards it, or otherwise you are also surprised by how the character is evolving during the writing, and the ending evolves itself.
So I will tell you the secret. I wrote the last scene first. So I knew that I wanted to get there. Then how to reach was the long. Actually, I had the scene with the old lady telling about the visiting of her dead husband. That is from my grandmother used to write about it a lot. And it used to really annoy her and me that this husband is coming because she didn't like him. And he has been dead for 40 years and still he was coming in her dreams. So she was very pissed off every day about this. So I started the film with that point. And then I was thinking a lot about in her life also, and in so many of the women in my life's life, they don't want some of these men, but they keep popping back up. They don't go away. So what to do? So like that's why even for Prabha, this husband is just like an idea that's gnawing at her. So I wanted to get to that end where she says bye to him and says, no, go away. So that to go from that point to this point, like that generation is still heavy with the burden of those marriages. And is this other generation going to stop having that preoccupation? And of course, Anu's generation is what we hope will be freer than that also. That's always the hope. Change is always the hope. Thank you, everybody. It was very nice that you could come. And one more question. Oh,
Hi, team. First of all, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि पूरी फिल्म में जो हम एक विजुअली नॉइज देखते हैं वो कैसे वर्क करता है आपके लिए? वो जो टेक्सचर एक क्रिएट होता है पूरी फिल्म में, वो जो विजुअल में पूरा एक नॉइज देखते हैं वो
കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പം എന്താ ഇത്രയും കഴിഞ്ഞില്ലേ? സാധാരണ നമ്മൾ സിനിമ നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഒരു പുരുഷ ഇപ്പോൾ സ്ത്രീ കേന്ദ്രീകൃതമായിട്ടുള്ള
ഞാനിപ്പോൾ സംസാരിക്കുന്നില്ല, ഡയറക്ടറോട് സംസാരിക്കുന്നു.
Yeah, actually, I want a shirt in both your honor. See, it is like a. Thank you.
It's okay. Sorry for spoiling your dream.
Oh, yeah. You're Ranjan. Oh, nice to meet you as my senior.
Kerala Chapter Secretary.
Okay, thank you, sir. I'm happy to have your card.
Some photographs.
Yeah.